Hi there, Gigi here, and today I'm here to review this patio furniture set cover that I purchased for my outdoor sectional sofa and table set. I purchased the 126 by 63 by 28 inch, which is the largest size for my 7-piece patio furniture set. The cover has a universal design that fits perfectly on my outdoor sectional furniture set and rectangular table. It's always a good idea to measure your furniture before buying it just to make sure that it's the right fit for you. I must admit mine is a little big, but I'm okay with that. One of the standout features about this cover is that it is water resistant as well as UV resistant. The durable polyester fabric with a waterproof coating ensures that my furniture stays protected from the rain, dust, little critters, and other forms of precipitation. Durability is another aspect that I appreciate about this cover. It's made from sturdy Oxford fabric, which means it's built to last. I'm hoping that it will continue to provide protection for my furniture, help it to last a long time. It comes with straps so that on windy days I don't have to worry about it flying off. The straps help to keep everything very secure. Since the cover doesn't lie flat over the furniture, water and debris tend to accumulate at the lowest points. To tackle this, I suggest placing some round objects underneath the cover if possible to raise it up. Basically, this allows the water and the debris to flow down through the gaps, and it will keep everything dry, preventing any mold or mildew growth. So in conclusion, this patio furniture set cover has exceeded my expectations. It's reliable, waterproof, and UV resistant, and it's built to last. I hope you found this review helpful. If so, give it a thumbs up. Until next time.